Good morning, students. Today we start phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but now it is placed as a separate phylum under non-Chordata. Hemichordata have a rudimentary structure in the collar region called stoma cord, a structure similar to notochord. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. They are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. The body is cylindrical and is composed of an interior proboscis, a collar and a long trunk. Circulatory system is a open type. Respiration takes place through gills. Excretory organ is proboscis gland. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. Example is Melanoglossus and Saccoglossus. See the diagram. Different parts as shown in the diagram. Proboscis, protocele, glomerulus, stomacord or skeletal support, mouth, collar, then ventral nerve, gills, gut, dorsal nerve cord and anus. See the picture of Melanoglossus. It looks like worm and found in marine condition. Now see the phylum Chordata. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord and paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate with organ system level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. See the examples. Phylum Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Urochordata or tunicate, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as Protochordata. And are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, notochord is present only in larval tail, while in Cephalochordata it extends from head to tail region and is persistent throughout their life. Example of Urochordata: Ascidia, Salpa, Doliolum. Cephalochordata example: Branchiostoma, that is Amphioxus, or Lanceolate. The members of the subphylum Vertebrata possess a notochord. During the embryonic period, the notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all the vertebrates are chordates, but all the chordates are not vertebrates. Besides basic chordates character, vertebrates have ventral muscular heart with 2 or 3 or 4 chambers, kidney for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendages which may be fins or limbs. The subphylum Vertebrata is further divided as follows. Phylum Chordata, division Protochordata, example Amphiosax vertebrata, subphylum Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha means lock jaw, example is Cyclostomata. Gnathostomata bears jaw, means having jaw, upper and lower jaw. There are 2 superclass, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces bears fins. In that 2 classes are there. Class Chondrichthyes, that means that is the group of cartilaginous fish, and Osteichthyes, that is the group of bony fish. Tetrapoda bears limbs. In that 4 classes are there: amphibia, reptilia, apes and mammals. See the difference between Protochordata and Vertebrata. See the picture of Protochordata and vertebrates. Now see the class Cyclostomata. All living members of this class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. They have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for respiration. Cyclostomas have a sucking and circular mouth without jaw. Their body is devoid of scales and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation is of closed type. Cyclostomes are marine but migrate for spawning to fresh water. After spawning, within a few days they die. Their larvae, after metamorphosis, return to the ocean. Example is Petromyzon, lamprey, and Maxine, that is the hagfish. Now see the class Chondrichthyes. That is a group of cartilaginous fish. They are marine animals with streamlined body and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. The skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous. Due to the absence of air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. The very good example is Scoliodon, that is a shark. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organs like torpedo, and some possesses poison sting, trigon. They are called cold-blooded, means poikilothermous animals. They lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bears claspers. They have internal fertilization, and many of them are viviparous. Examples: Scoliodon, that is a dogfish; Peristisis, that is a sawfish; Carchodon, that is a great white shark; Trigon, stingray. Now see the class Osteichthyes, that is a bony fish. It includes both marine and freshwater fishes with bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined, mouth is mostly terminal. They have 4 pairs of gills which are covered by an operculum on each side. Skin is covered with cycloid tinoid scales. Air bladder is present which regulates buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. They are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous, means egg-laying, and development is direct. Example of marine fishes: Exocetus, flying fish; Hippocampus, seahorse; freshwater labio, that is a rohu; then Katla, Claris, that is magur; aquarium fishes, that is a betta, fighting fish; then pterophyllum, that is the angelfish. Now see the class Amphibia. As the name indicates, amphi means dual, bios means life. Amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Most of them have 2 pairs of limbs. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Tail may be present in some of the cases. The amphibian's skin is moist without scales. The eye have eyelids. A tympanum represents the ear. Alimentive canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs and through skin. The heart is 3-chambered, 2 auricle and 1 ventricle. These are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. They are oviparous and development is indirect. Example is Bufo, that is a toad; Rana trigona, that is a frog; Hyla, tree frog; salamander; ichthyophis, limbless amphibians.